Check the mitre saw and all the parts for any signs of damage. Now remove the cable tie, checking the cable for any signs of damage. If the mitre saw shows any signs of damage, do not use it and return it to your retailer for a replacement. Slot the clamp support bracket into one of the fence holes and tighten the securing knob. Slide the clamp arm over the support bracket and tighten the securing knob. Slide the dust collector onto the dust extraction port. Insert the side support bars into the base and tighten the hex bolts. It is recommended that the mitre saw is fixed to a workbench. To release the mitre saw from the lockdown position, pull out the release knob. Then plug the mitre saw into the mains. Now put on all the safety equipment which is required to operate this tool. Press the laser switch to turn it on. Loosen the clamp and slide the workpiece along the bed and line the laser up with the line drawn on the workpiece. Tighten the clamping arm so the material is secure against the base. When cutting narrow pieces of material, it is not necessary to use a sliding mechanism. For larger pieces, loosen the slide lock screw and grip the handle and pull the saw towards you. Open the release catch and squeeze the on-off switch, making sure your hands are nowhere near the blade. Slowly lower the blade into the material to its lowest point. Slide the saw blade away from you until the material is cut. Release the on-off switch and allow the blade to come to a complete stop before lifting. To adjust for a mitre cut, unscrew the mitre table lock handle and rotate the base to the desired angle. Then retighten the handle to secure the base in position. To adjust for a bevel cut, loosen the bevel locking handle and adjust the head to the desired angle. Then retighten the locking handle to secure the head in place. To adjust for a compound mitre cut, adjust the bevel and mitre position to the desired angle. To alter the cutting depth, slide the trench stop to the left and use the depth adjustment knob to alter the depth the blade plunges to. Disconnect the mitre saw from the power supply. Remove the dust bag and empty the contents into a bin. Use a dry brush to clean the vents and clear the base of excess dust. Make sure that the slide locking screw is tightened. Remove the screws that hold the guard retraction arm and blade bolt cover.
Carry on to go unscrew.
Pull the guard down and rotate it over the fixed guard. Depress the spindle lock button and use a hex key to loosen and remove the blade bolts. Be aware that the thread is left-handed. Align the new blade on the shaft, making sure the rotation arrows on the blade are facing the same direction as the arrow on the fixed guard. Secure the blade in place with the blade bolt and replace the guard. To calibrate or adjust the bevel, mitre or laser guide, loosen the relevant screw and adjust. Make sure that the screw is retightened once the adjustments has been made. Press the release catch and lower the blade. Engage the release knob to lock the blade in position. Use the transportation handle to carry the mitre saw.